Good morning. Today we are correcting PO31, ordering fractions, decimals, and percentages. Remember, the big thing with this objective was to convert to one type. You'll be given multiple fractions, decimals, percentages. You need to pick one so you can put them in order. So let's look at what these would be. So our first one would be 28%, 0.3, 40%, 0.71. Because remember, when we write them out in order, we need to use the original numbers. I will also accept you putting the 1, 2, 3, 4 on top of them. Either way. Our next one was 0.09, 0.11, 3/20ths, 18%, and 1/5. And you can see what I did up above was I converted them all to those percentages so I could put my percents in order. Then we have 72%, 8/10ths, 0.82, 83%, 0.9. Any questions on that top row? Can we see all the way to the 0.9, or do I need to move it over? Okay. Can we see it now? Yep. All right. Middle row, 0.99, 105%, 11/10ths, 111%, 1.3. Next is 62%, 0.63, 32/50ths, 0.65, 66%. And our last one would be 1/50th, 1/25th, 6%, 0.1. Any questions on the middle row? Adeline. The middle one? 62%, 0.63, 32/50ths, 0.65, 66%. Okay. And the bottom row, 3/2, 1.51, 153%, and 1.6. The middle one is 1/20ths, 3/50ths, 7/100ths, 8%, 0.09, 0.1. And the last one is 0.9, 95%, 0.97, 98%, and 1. Any questions on the bottom row? All right. Then we had some questions. Write a decimal between 28% and 3/10ths. If we're writing a decimal, we wanted to convert these to the decimals. 28% is 0.28, 3/10ths is 0.3. So in between 0.28 and 0.3 would be 0.29. Then write a fraction between 45% and 0.43. So I wanted to convert them to fractions, 45/100ths and 43/100ths. So I converted that to 44/100ths. You could simplify that to 11/25ths. I would have accepted either way. So if you would have put 44/100ths, I would have taken that. I would also take it simplified. Any questions on those two? Then we have our review, converting back and forth. Trying to get this closer so we can see it better. All right. So for the 0.28, the answer would be 7/25ths as the fraction. If you put 28/100ths, why would that be wrong? Emma? It's not simplified. You must simplify your answers. So 7/25ths and 28%. The next one is 9/25ths and 0.36. 51/50ths, 102%. 0.45 is 45%. 0.25 is 25%. 4/5 is 0.8 or 0.80. Any questions on that side? Next side, we have 9/100ths, 0.09, 0.96 and 96%, 1/10 and 10%, 0.4, 0.40 and 40%, 3/4, 0.75, 0.7, 0.70 and 70%. Any questions on those? How are we feeling about converting between percents, decimals, and fractions? What is the magic number? Bridget? 100. 100 for your denominator, 100th place for that decimal. 100 is that magic number. Don't forget it. If you are watching this at home, I hope you are well, and I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.